Hello friends, I am Vijay Awad. Today's video is to find out how to provide 1 kilometer long tramway in a congested place where the existing road widths are 9 meters, and further how to find out the cost per saleable unit. So what we are going to do is the cost of tramway, which comes to about 1500 rupees, 1500 million rupees. So we'll find out how much is the cost factor per saleable unit. We'll work out number of saleable units from the given FSI. That FSI we have considered is 0.7. Then distribute the 100% cost. There are two parts of it, parts of the study. One, we will distribute 100% cost per saleable unit. Secondly, 25% saleable cost, 25% cost of tramway per saleable cost, and the balance cost of tramway will be recoverable, we are assuming, from the public by way of taxes. In the end, there will be observations and conclusions. Now, let us begin by studying this diagram. Hypothetically, we have got about 1000 meter long and 40 meter wide land. The two lands, total area 80,000 square meters. We provided setback to the acquired land. We have provided 9 meter setback here. So the width has shrunk to 31 meters. We have provided again 6 meters setback. So from 40, the width has shrunk to 34 meters. Now let us see how much is the extra road area. You can see the road has been widened to 18 meters and 15 meters. So the land in the road setback comes to about 15,000 square meters, and consequentially the width of the plot has shrunk. So when we say we have acquired about 8 hectares of land and we are going to redevelop it, we are displacing about 1360 units. These units we have considered as per the density of 180 units per hectare, meaning we have to accommodate 1360 units when we redevelop the land. So let us calculate the built up areas. What we have here is FSI for redevelopment. Existing FSI is 1, additional FSI is 0.7, so total FSI is 1.7. So calculations for existing built up area at FSI 1 is 80,000 square meters. Then land in road setback is 1500. So what we have done is, now existing built up area is existing plot area. So 80,000 minus 15,000, the figure comes to 65,000. That is the remaining plot area. That is balance plot area. So we will calculate the FSI again. Is whatever the figure is 1.7. Now we will calculate the figure, the FSI figure, on the balance land area, which is 65,000. On this land area, we are going to build about 125,000 total built up area. Okay. Now proposed saleable. Now proposed saleable we are giving here is 45,500. How did we get this? Proposed saleable we got by multiplying 65,000 square meters by, we multiplied it by additional FSI 0.7. So we got the figure 45,500, meaning proposed saleable area 45,500 plus existing comes to 125,500. Now the calculation comes to 1.93. So the FSI calculation comes to 1.93, and we have considered the FSI as 1.935. Next, we'll find out how to calculate the saleable units at the rate of 180 units. So 45,500, which is the proposed saleable area, divided by 10,000 into 180 gives us 819 units. Now these 819 units are our saleable units. The area per unit comes to about 55.5 square meters. Now cost of tramway is to be distributed in two parts, 100 and 25% respectively. Now first part, we will have 1500 million distributed over 819 saleable unit. It comes to 1.83 million per saleable unit. In second case, it comes to 0.458 millions per saleable unit. Now, what are our observations? We increased the road area from 36,000 to 51,000. The balance plot area from 80,000 it was reduced to 65,000. The total built up area is about 125,000 per 125,000 square meters. So actual FSI we have considered is 1.935. So the cost of tramway per saleable unit. The cost of tramway per saleable unit varies from 1.83 million to 0.458 million rupees per saleable unit. Now, the selling price of per saleable unit is going to vary as per the location. So, where the location is advantageous, the price is going to be high, and we assume that 1.83 million is about 18 lakh rupees, which will be added up and payable by the purchaser, whereas the place where the locational advantages bring down the price a little bit, we can have about 500,000 rupees distributed on the half a million rupees added to the saleable unit. So if we consider that we are having 100% tramway cost and 25% tramway cost recovered by selling the flats in two different locations. Okay, so then there are about 1638 units sold totally. The land area, of course, will be 8 into 2, that is 16 hectares, and together it is possible to recover 62.5% of the tramway cost. We are also considering the failure of the project. Generally, such projects fail where the buyer pays his money directly to the government, and where the government authorities, they have power to siphon off the planned funds to other projects. Now, this is a major hurdle in any project. The authorities are given power to siphon off the funds because they decide the priority and they siphon off the funds. And as a result, the project gets delayed or it comes to complete halt, and then the process of tendering begins, the recosting, and it might result into swelling of the cost and probably abandoning the project or delaying the project, and so on and so forth. Delaying the project is the result. Instead, if there is a authority, like in this case a tramway authority, and the funds are directly given to the tramway authority and the construction funds are given to the government or private developer, then we feel that the project can come to a successful conclusion. The purpose of this exercise is to explain that it is not difficult to get your environment improved. See, what happens is the figures are so high, that the common man stops imagining about the development itself. They're so high that the people get bogged down. Our effort is to show that even though the costs are high, they are manageable. Now, that entire tramway cost can be manageable if we club these two areas. We just saw that it can be manageable up to 62.5%, and the balance can be recovered by the revenue. We hope we have succeeded in convincing you, and we hope that you will start thinking about an environment which you like. If you have liked our video, please like it and share it at your earliest. We'll come up with our next video, the elevated roadways. Thank you very much.